In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take a screenshot without power button on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and normally to take a screenshot we need to press at the same time volume down button and power button, just like that. That will take a screenshot. However, if for some reason you cannot use power button, let's say if it is broken or something like that, you can easily take a screenshot without using your power button, and now I'm gonna show you how to do that. First off, guys, we need to head over to settings. The easiest way to do that is just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. On settings, we are looking for accessibility. Then we need to get into interaction and dexterity. And that's where we can easily find assistant menu. First off, guys, I recommend you to get into assistant menu and then tap at select assistant menu items. That's where we need to ensure that screenshots feature is added to selected items, because the items in that part of the screen are not added to the assistant menu. And if screenshots located right over here, just tap at this plus sign to add it to that part of the screen, and then also you will be able to move it around and place it wherever you want. So that's how we can change the order of the items in assistant menu. Once it is done, go back to assistant menu settings and then just tap right here to turn it on. After that, tap at allow, and now we can go out of settings. As you might have noticed, it placed that icon on our screen, and it will be displayed at any app, at any system menus, or at any other applications. It will be placed on the screen, and by tapping at that button we can easily take a screenshot. All we have to do is just search for screenshots here and then just tap on it. That will take a screenshot, and that will automatically save it to our camera roll. By tapping at screenshot, we can also take full page screenshots. To do that, I need to head over to my web browser, and then if we go to some web page that is longer than the height of our screen, we can take full page screenshot by tapping at that button as many times as we want to take full page screenshot, and then it will be automatically saved to our camera roll, and that's where we can easily find it. If we head over to gallery, as you can see here, we got full page screenshot, and here we got the regular screenshot. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.